Hello everyone, I'm Dia Jangda and welcome to Clinivance Labs. Today I'll be demonstrating the process to enroll and receive the certificate in Advanced Excel by Amity University. To begin, open Google and type Clinivance Labs. Click on the official Clinivance Labs website. On the left side, look for communities and then select Pharma Jobs and Certificate. Find the course titled Certificate in Advanced Excel and then click on Get Your Certificate Now. This should redirect you to the course page. Now we need to create a new account. Fill in the details to create new account. Once you filled in the details, you should receive an activation link via email. Open your inbox and check for the email and click on the link. This will take you to your dashboard. Click on Home and scroll down to find the course title Certificate in Advanced Excel. Click on it and then click on Enroll Me. This should take you to the dashboard. Click on Certificate in Advanced Excel and go through the course. Module-wise, the content is arranged, which includes videos that you can watch at your own pace. Then attempt the quiz and fill the feedback form to access your certificate. Once you've attempted the assessment and filled the feedback form, you can click on this to view your certificate. And the certificate would have been downloaded. For more such free certification opportunities, subscribe to Clinivance Labs and stay updated on upcoming programs. Thank you.